Hey guys, if you're scrolling around on the internet and you're looking for high-level solutions, or you're looking for high-level reviews, or you're looking for whatever you are looking for as it pertains to high level, I want you to watch this video in 2022, regardless of what year you're in, just to make sense of if you should invest in it or not. And I want to break down to you in the next few minutes at least 3 points as to why you should invest in your own high-level account. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So High-Level is a turnkey solution. It's an end-to-end solution. It's an all-in-one solution that allows you as a marketer, allows you as a marketing agency, and allows you as a business owner to find a solution in one single platform. You see MailChimp moving towards this model. You see Wix moving to this model. You see GoDaddy moving to this model. But High-Level has already been on this model over the last 4 years, and I think they're going to continue to be one of those platforms or solutions that is providing some type of value or solution to you to be able to serve clients and business owners and helping them grow. Now, let's go ahead and get to our first. Now, I want to go ahead and say, by the way, if you're looking to sign up, I've placed a link down below that you can click to sign up for your 14-day trial or go ahead and get started. Now, I like stats. I like numbers because numbers don't lie. The reason why you want to use High-Level, number one, is a lot to do with it has served and is now serving over 15,000 agencies. 523,000 businesses now can say they have, regardless if they know it or not, they can say that they have a high-level powered business. 622 million leads. Okay, this is the amount of leads that have come into the High-Level system. And last but not least, 9.2 billion conversations. Guys, these numbers are staggering. Now, when you look at most platforms, in the amount of time High-Level has been around, in comparison to somebody like, say, a MailChimp, who is now providing some of these same solutions, and they've been around 10 years, and High-Level's only been around for 3 or 4 years, and they're already helping this many customers, that says a lot. There is a drift to High-Level because we're attracted based on the numbers. We're attracted based on how many other people are helping or are being helped and how many other people are growing their companies and their agencies using this platform. So if you need a good first reason why you should use High-Level, take a look at the stats. The stats don't lie, okay? Number two, why should you use High-Level? Well, High-Level is an all-in-one platform. So, man, in my experience, working in digital marketing for 10 years, watching the legacy rollout of, say, a MailChimp or a Constant Contact or a Wix or a Weebly, High-Level has come along in the last 4 years and said, any platform you are using to help companies grow, to help people build their business, listen, we're going to place it inside of this solution called High-Level, and we're going to provide it to you at a flat cost, which I'll get to next. High-Level allows you to do everything you need to do for lead generation as well as marketing and automation. So if you're looking for one solution platform, an all-in-one, where you want Clickfunnels to talk to lead pages or lead pages to talk to, say, a form, or a form to talk to, say, MailChimp, or a MailChimp to talk to a Callrail, or a Callrail to talk to Stripe, or Stripe to report analytics to Google Analytics. Whatever your solution or integration you are looking for, you can integrate through High-Level. Now, they do use a third-party tool called Lead Connector to make the information or data flow through integrations using an API. I'm getting a little technical, but in short, all you need to know is that for point number two, why you should invest in High-Level is any integration you want on the internet, you can make it work through High-Level. And I put my money on that. Point number three is the price. When we look at the investment, as I'm scrolling down through all of this information that you can read on your own, we ultimately come down here and we say, okay, have I perceived the value yet in this platform? If you have not perceived the value, this illustration or reference will. When you break down all of the channels, marketing channels, email is a channel, social media is a channel, websites are a channel. When you look at all the channels that you're going to play with in digital marketing today, or as an agency, you're getting more than you deserve in one single platform for one single price. And I say more than you deserve because if you go to some of these other platforms, some of these are now providing some of these same solutions you see in this graphic, but they're charging more money. High Level continues to add more solutions and more features to its platform without raising the price, without raising the rent, without raising their lease. Do you understand what I'm saying? So point number 3, why should you invest in High Level? Because the prices continue to stay the same, but they continue to add more solutions by listening to us, the users. Now, here's a price breakdown of what you can expect. So if you can't front the money for, say, $500 a month, like I'm paying for, which I'm going to show you here in just a second, and as a bonus just for staying around, I'm going to take you into a dashboard that shows you what it looks like to configure your account with this $497 plan. If you can't shake the $497, start with the $297. The $297 is going to give you unlimited sub accounts, so you can work with unlimited amount of business owners and manage their entire marketing end to end from one single platform, and we call that High Level. And if you're a business owner or you're just a tire kicker and you want to get started, but you want to get all of the advantages without making the high, steep investment, start at 97. It's okay, right? And you're going to still get access to some of everything High Level has to offer, but you're only going to have one single account to work with versus having the unlimited. So if you had to ask me, Rich, hey, you're a High Level pro, you've been around, you've been using High Level, paying the $500 for the last 3 years. What are some of the standout features using less words? I would say, again, if you're looking for a single account usage, start at 97. If you're looking for unlimited account usage, start at 297. And if you want the whole entire shebang, you want first access to everything High Level has to offer, start at 497, and you do not have to expect that to go up. Now, thank you guys for sticking around. I actually want to take you to what it looks like if you decide to go with the 497 plan and you desire to have some type of SaaS product, some type of SaaS or software as a service platform on the internet to provide to your clients. So let's take the next few minutes, just very briefly, and let's go through this. So when you sign up for a SaaS plan, they're going to give you a SaaS configurator. Now, what they're doing essentially is they're providing you a streamlined approach to rolling out or presenting a offer to business owners with a recurring subscription. The difference is in plans, you can make adjustments to what features or solutions you provide. So let's be honest here. Every client you work with, when you decide to move to SaaS, will not benefit from the same solution. And so what's the SaaS plan allows you to do with High Level is to give you your own white label SaaS. So if you're looking for like a SaaS starter, a SaaS builder, some type of SaaS from scratch solution, I would start with High Level. Because with High Level, you are working side by side with business owners or small, medium enterprise, and you're helping them to grow rapidly and scale, but using or doing so with certain solutions. Let's talk about those solutions. Number one, and I have to mention here, they do give you the ability to turn on some type of trial period for all of your customers. So if somebody wants to start with 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, you can do so here. Let's start with plan one. Plan one, plan two, plan three. Plan 1 says, hey, if I were to zero this out, okay, high level saying, listen, you don't want to sell this under $97 a month. And so if you try to sell it under 97, like say $49, high level's going to say, no, we want you to start this at $97. And then, of course, you can make the adjustments to the yearly plan. And then Stripe gives you the ID, the unique ID to be able to present this to a customer. All right. And you can customize this standard plan, providing the type of features that you want to give to your customers. So these features include two-way text, email conversation, Google My Business messaging, web chat, reputation management, Facebook, Google My Business call tracking, missed call text back, which is a really cool feature. If somebody calls any of your clients, high level will automatically text that lead back. Text to pay, hey, show me the money. It's all about the money, right? If you cannot take payments, then what's the point, right? And so with high level offering this text to pay solution in the first plan, you can automatically go to a client for $97 and say, listen, I'm giving you a solution that allows you to take payment from your customers, so this instantly pays for itself. Okay, that's one way to present this and to make sense of the investment in this. And then, of course, there's complimentary credits that you can provide for texting as well as email follow-up. All right, next, we're going to go into Plan 2. Plan 2, you have the same capabilities. High level wants you to start with $197. And then, of course, you can customize what that looks like per year. And then here are some of the solutions that you would probably want to give away within that second plan. And you can drag that over and you can drag it back over here. And then there's some complimentary credits. And over here, as we wrap up, Plan 3, high level wants you to start with $297. And then you can customize the yearly plan to your liking. And then again, you can customize each plan based on what's attractive to your clients and what they're willing to spend the money for, and ultimately what's going to help them. Now, what I love about each plan is going to give you some type of snapshot. Okay, so you can build a custom solution, give it a name called a snapshot, and then attach it. So if anyone makes a purchase of any of these plans, then they automatically get everything inside of that snapshot of solution. And then the rest is history from there. So coming back out, going high level, no pun intended, but going high level here, does it make sense to invest? Will you make your money back if you're, say, paying for the $497? Well, yes, I think you'll make your money back. Is it worth integrating and migrating all of your solutions that you have been paying for into one single platform and paying one single flat price? Yes, it's worth it. And just to recap, is it worth making the investment because everyone else is doing it? I don't want to always do what everyone else is doing. Well, again, the numbers don't lie. I say pay attention to the numbers and let that validate your interest inside of high level. Now, I hope you have enjoyed this. Again, if you just want to kick the tire, if you want to play around with this, and you like what you see so far here for the 2022 review, I say go ahead and click the link below, which is a link to the 14-day trial. Yes, that is my affiliate link. So thank you so much for clicking on that link if you find this attractive, just from providing you this value. And if you need help with anything, you want to ask more questions, go ahead and comment below, ask questions below in the comments. And of course, I can address them from there. Thank you so much for watching this. My name is Rich Peoples Digital, and we'll see you on the next video.